Chief Chaplain, Armed Forces of the Philippines. Entry of colors.
Me as the Chief of Staff of the Armed Forces of the Philippines, I hereby declare the Armed Forces of the Philippines Joint Exercise Dagat Pa 09-2025 open effective today.